How to log in HelloFresh account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a video. Open up a browser on your PC or on your mobile device and search for hellofresh.com and give it a search. At the top you will see login bubble. You have to go ahead and tap on the login bubble given to you. Now to log in, you can enter your email address and your password, then tap on login. If you have forgotten your password, just tap on forgot password. Enter your email address to recover your password. Next step. If you want to log in using other method, you can log in without your password, Google, Apple and Facebook as well. To create a new account, just tap on sign up. Now to log in with your Google, it is very simple. Just select a Google account and you'll be automatically linked with your HelloFresh account. Now all you have to do next is customize your meal plan. Now to register, enter your shipping information right here. Then tap on next step, which is the checkout option, where you have to select a payment method. And the last one is to select your meal for the day or the week. And that is how you can easily log into your HelloFresh account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.